How to go ahead and switch Facebook to its basic version. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch your web browser. Then after, search for Google extensions and open Chrome Web Store. Once you're here, click on the search bar in the top of the screen and then search for old layout for Facebook. Go ahead and tap on that and then tap on Add to Chrome, which is highlighted in blue color. Then tap on Add extension in the top. Once it has been added successfully on your Chrome browser, go ahead and launch it. Now go to facebook.com and refresh your Facebook. Once you've done that, you'll be instantly switched to the old version of the Facebook on your Chrome. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.